add a video of our next lesson for you. So this will be available in my YouTube and shared with you in Schoology at some point. Yesterday we learned how to make block letters, and we talked about letters and fonts and different styles of lettering that you can do. We are working towards a graffiti project, and we talked about calligraphy, illumination from centuries. We are going to be making our projects a little bit more difficult. So yesterday, if you were just learning how to do block letters, because some of you had done them before, what I would challenge you to do is to finish your name, or we're working on in block letters. If you want to start and make a nice, neat copy that is your best work, I would recommend that because it's nice to develop a clean design. Because today I will challenge you to maybe practice drawing your cubes a few times if you need to, and then apply what we learned about cubes to your letters. Remember, you're going to make all the diagonal lines all along the top of your name, going the same exact direction. They can go to the right or they can go to the left. It doesn't matter which way they go. Some letters will be different if they are lines are going to the left to see how the Y dents in. If your lines are going to the right, you're going to see the solid edge of the Y. Okay. Give yourself some between letters so that you develop the three-dimensional quality. Yesterday, if you were one of my more advanced students who already knew how to do block letters and you worked with the three-dimensional letters, that is one. You can finish that one if you need to. Again, you might do a good copy that would your highest quality work, or maybe try a different word. Today's challenge for art class is to start exploring with your lettering. Okay, so we had the basic block letter style, and I just chose a fun word. You can choose any word that you want, as long as it's appropriate, of course, or you can do your name or whatever. And then I started playing with my letters. So in this one, I kind of drew my letters out longer and made them longer, a different font, if you will. And in this one, I gave them a little bit of attitude and changed their design a little bit. So when you add an end to a letter, okay, they're flourishes. Flourishes are at the top of a letter. So if you add a little loop-de-loop or something like that, and a serif is at the bottom of the letter. Okay, so if you add a base to your letter, notice that I overlapped my letters here, so that the I was kind of behind the M. That's something you can start playing with space. Remember last year we learned about overlapping as we worked in our landscape drawings that you did. So if I put the I behind the M and the L, then it's a little bit further away. Okay, you can do little pictures. I made a little snake tongue and teeth. This one I did a little flower on the I, made my L curl around. So really what you're wanting to do is kind of bring your own creativity and your own style to your letters. Once you have done a few, so like this would be a good paper to show me on Monday. So I tried 3 different things, kind of 4. I didn't really finish that one. Okay, I experimented with different styles of lettering, 3 different styles, and then I experimented with some flourishes and some serifs. Flourishes again being at the top and the serifs being at the bottom. There are many other styles that you can do with this, but those are just a few that I wanted to share with you to get you started. I don't want to give you too much and overwhelm you this first day since I'm not on here to work with you, but we will be doing this kind of stuff for a few more days. So Monday I'm going to add you in a little bit more of a challenge, and Tuesday will be a little bit more of a challenge, and then as we go into Thanksgiving break, we won't start any of the hard stuff until after we come back. So I hope that you enjoy this activity. It should take you about 15 to 20 minutes to do 2 or 3 different designs. And that's kind of what we're expecting. Save this project because you're going to show it to me at the beginning of class on Monday. And I hope that you all have a wonderful, relaxing weekend. Get up from your computers, go outside, do some activities, and enjoy your time. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend.